What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Origin Protocol OGN, which has pumped up a massive 67% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just above 12 cents in target. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? If you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profits, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days and so on? So essentially, we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months and overall in 2023. How high can OGN go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is pretty much flat out 0.06% down, which is not major anyway. And we do have OGN as the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So if we zoom in into the hourly chart, it has dropped just over a percentage, nothing major, because yes, it has pumped up a huge 67%, and we can see nearly pumped up 100% earlier today, but it has dropped a little bit since then. Over the week 57%, and over the month 55%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 7,300%, making it $304 million in trading, which is a huge increase guys. Again, it is the top gainer according to Coinbase and Binance as well. As you can see, top gainers, number one is OGN, so it is getting a lot of attention right now, a lot of hype around it. So we are seeing a lot more people looking into the project, buying it, selling it, and in general trading the crypto, which is also helping its value of Origin Protocol going in a positive direction, which it is at the moment. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of OGN, which is here in purple at just about 8 cents. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value here in green at just above 12 cents, nearly hitting 13 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning drops in values are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, do expect an overall drop in value, potentially dropping down to around 10 to 11 cents is what I'm expecting. Again, it's not going to be a sudden drop out of nowhere. It is going to be a slow and steady drop. Again, do expect green candles in between as well, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So as mentioned guys, do expect an overall drop in value from OGN over the next 12 to 14 hours, dropping down to between 10 and 11 cents. Now moving on to the hourly chart, now we're looking very bullish, very positive guys, and it's looking very steep as well, meaning it is not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep, heading towards a bullish direction, is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value at this pace, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting again an overall drop in value from OGN, potentially down to about 8 to 9 cents is where I'm expecting OGN to be trading at by the end of next week. So back to where it was trading yesterday, the day before, and essentially last week as well. So if we go back to this chart here, down to about 8 to 9 cents is what my predictions are. But again, this varies on any news or updates that come across that can have a positive or negative impact on its value. But at the moment, I'm expecting it to drop back down to between 8 and 9 cents towards the end of next week. But again, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit a green day here and there in between, but the red days are going to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from OGN. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, the blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction. Exact same applies here. It's not realistic. However, in this case, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late September 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value from OGN. So at this point, we should be trading around 25 cents is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at by mid to late September. So approximately, if we give it about 2 months time, it should be able to double up in value, trading around 25 cents. Bearing in mind, I am expecting it to drop down to about 8 to 9 cents over the next week or so, and then it has to slowly and steadily build up to 20 to 25 cents in September, and that is if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side and there's no crashes and so on. But of course, if I'm expecting such a thing like a major pump or a major crash or anything like that, I will of course let you guys know as soon as I can and as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good from OGN, guys. For the short-term traders out there, I would be careful, as I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. Yes, it's very tempting to invest into a crypto, especially when it's pumping. However, it could be very easily, you can easily lose your money. So that is why risk management is very, very important, especially for short-term traders. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on OGN, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys predict Origin Protocol to be hitting in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bullish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and also comment down below if there are any other cryptocurrencies that you guys have in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel. Let me also know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.